Alright, move on to another problem that I'm having with this. See the door bushings. You can see just how much that dropped. You can't even close the door without lifting it. It sucks. I've done this probably, how many times? At least 3 times. It's always that bottom hinge down there. The bushings go out in it. I think the top ones actually went this time some too, so I'm going to change both of them. And I'm going to show you how. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but basically you got to go in here. And you know what? I'm going to get a light. So, okay, you got to go in and pull this rubber boot out of the door. It's not real hard to do, but especially when you've had it off as many times as me. And then you got your wiring harness you got to get out. And that can be difficult, especially trying to do this one-handed. Alright, I'm going to have to put the camera down to do this, so let's see if I can get you an angle. That looks like that'll work. Not that you're really going to be able to see anything but my hands, but oh, come on. There we go. Come on, there. Alright, sweet. And there's a big plug in there. One, I just pulled it off. Don't let that fall in the door, or you're going to take your whole damn door panel off to get it. There. That plug right there. Now that's unplugged. Now you got to take them two and them two bolts out. Now you don't have to worry about realigning the door because, well, they only go in one way. There is no way to align it through them bolts, at least. So I'm going to get them off, and we'll take the whole door off the side. Alright, can you see? I'm probably going to get in your way. Break the top one loose. Just work my way down and take the other 3 completely out. I leave the top one in there to hold the door to the Jeep. You can tell I've had this apart a few times because these bolts do not come out this easy. It's the first time for sure. Alright, there's 3 of them out. Now I'm going to move the camera. Now I'll take that top one out and take the whole door right off with it. Alright, let's take this top bolt out. Now, unless you're really damn strong, you know, an ogre like me, I'd suggest having someone help you. Because this door is not light. It's not light at all. And I like to just put it right up on its end gently, and now I can work on the hinges. Now this bottom one is cake to get out because, well, that's the one that I've had to replace so many times, and you can see how the bushings are completely shot again like normal. And the top one's completely tight again like normal. Damn it. Why does that bottom one keep breaking and the top one's fine? Well, I guess I'll just do the bottom one again. I ain't like it takes all that long. If I'm not trying to record this, I can change this door pin in about 5 minutes now. Alright. Well, I'll get you guys set up and change it out real quick. Alright, this is what you're looking for if you need to replace them. At least for, I think it's a 93 through 98 are the same. That's the part number. 38422. So, let's change this out. I like to use a body hammer. Look at that. Done. See, this is what it keeps doing. These bushings, they just shatter. And I don't know why. Probably because they're crap that's made in China. Anyway. New bushings go in here. Like that. And like that. You slip the hinge back in. Grab your pin. Slip it in from the top of the door down. See, I don't like that. That's binding up for some reason. There we go. That's in. Well, that's how you change it. Now you just got to put the door back on and reconnect the wire harness right here. This is it's harder to put it back on than it is to take it off. So let's go ahead and try to do that. I'll just move you back some. Hinges up. Got your extension. Put one of the bolts in it. Set that right there. And grab the door. And you probably can't see a thing. But I'm getting that top one started again. And that'll hold it there for me. See? Now you just got to put the other ones back in. Grab another one. Do one of the bottom ones. Now I got 2. We'll just stick the other 2 in. Reconnect the electrical, tighten up all your bolts, and you'll be done. I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll come back and show you how the door closes now. Alright, with everything all tightened up and the wiring back together, which I'll warn you ahead of time, that rubber boot is a real pain in the ass to put back on that door. But with all that done, now your door will close just fine. And at least it's been my experience that with this part here, you'll get about 3 months out of it before it breaks again. So you'll get pretty good at this. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.